Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. After a 1.6% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed with a 0.4% drop. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices were caught in a tug-of-war, dipping to a week's low as safe haven demand softened on optimism over a potential Israel-Hezbollah ceasefire, while concern over Ukraine and US President-elect Donald Trump's tariff plans limited declines. Oil prices slid, giving back early gains in choppy trade after Israel agreed to a ceasefire deal with Lebanon, reducing oil's risk premium. Both benchmarks dropped around 1%. Cryptocurrency ownership among investors in the United Kingdom is growing, prompting increasing regulatory attention from the country's top financial watchdog. Over 12% of adults in the UK now hold cryptocurrency, with an average value of up to £1,842 British pounds, according to an announcement by the Financial Conduct Authority.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Get ready for a packed economic calendar this week, with a range of data releases expected to capture market attention. From major economic indicators to less impactful reports, each piece of data may contribute to market sentiment and strategy adjustments. As these releases unfold, maintaining a clear strategy and watching market responses can provide an edge. Volatility might offer both risks and rewarding opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.